The fun question is, are there early birds? Are there early bird bonuses? Hell yes, there's early bird bonuses. People who enrolled last week, 2 weeks ago, they're already enjoying bonuses, which is they're in the WhatsApp thread. They're asking questions. Do you know that I charge $225 for an Ask Me Anything day, where you get me on WhatsApp and can ask any questions about your business, about inner child, about that past life or a dream you had, about this craving, about your kid and how to tap with them? You can ask me. Anyone who's in this cohort, you got me Ask Me Anything for 6 months. I take breaks on weekends, boundaries, but sometimes I pop in because I can't help it. But basically 24/5, you've got me on WhatsApp with any questions. I love sending you voice memos or DMs to your questions. So that is a huge bonus. So say you enroll a week before workshop starts, you get an extra week of that. If you enroll a day before, you get an extra day of that. That's bonus number one. Bonus number two is we have weekly Ask Me Anything for anyone in mentoring. But since you get a sneak peek of the WhatsApp as a workshop attendee, I'm posting the Zoom links in there. So you get to join my live Ask Me Anythings every Monday from 8 to 9 a.m. Pacific time through the final Saturday. Then you can keep attending those plus any level 3 specific Ask Me Anything. You can find dates on the page with us. So you get a bonus weeks and weeks of live Ask Me Anything calls, which are usually only for my mentees. So that is an early bird bonus. And you can just be a fly on the wall for that, or you can come and bring questions. Another bonus is I do a monthly tapping call with my mentees. Even if you're just a workshop guest, since you're in the WhatsApp thread, you'll see the Zoom links, you'll see the notices. You can come and tap with us. We just tapped away imposter syndrome. Last month, we tapped away technique overwhelm. We tapped away the fear of using our voice. So you can come to those tapping calls, and it's like a free tapping session with me in community, releasing with the deep work that you're learning to do. So those are the early bird bonuses. It's also about $100 off right now. So get it while you can. And if you want to make sure on my email list to make sure you are getting those emails, grab the meditation and curriculum program below. That'll put you on the list. It'll also let you check if my emails are falling to spam, promotions, or your main inbox. So definitely drag it there so you get all my emails for the early bird bonuses so you don't miss them.